In order for your video to resonate with your audience, you need to tell a great story. We begin every video project with a planning phase where we discuss your goals for the video, its intended audience, and the story you want to tell. It's also important to consider how your video will be used, such as on your website or in a CTV advertisement. With those details figured out, one of our content writers will get to work writing the script or storyline. If your video will be filmed interview style, we'll help you write the questions and map out the flow of your conversation. If your video will be unscripted and involve more improvisation, we'll outline the key story points that need to be included. Lastly, before moving to the production phase, we'll also create a potential shot list or storyboard. If we're filming at your location, our videographer will either visit ahead of time or look at pictures to determine potential places to shoot. If we're doing a motion design project, we'll show you a storyboard of design concepts that will become the assets that we animate during the production phase.
The shoot is the most intense, but also the most fun part of the video project. When the day comes, we first set up the lights, cameras, and audio equipment and perform a few tests to make sure that everything looks and sounds great. If your shoot involves multiple locations or a mobile camera, we will follow the plan we developed during the pre-production phase to make sure that we stay on schedule. The exact logistics of the video shoot depend on the scope of your project. If you are filming in our studio, we will be set up and ready to go by the time you arrive to keep everything as simple as possible. If members of your team are going to act or be interviewed in the video, we will walk them through the process to get them comfortable being on camera. If we're using members of our team or professional actors, we will direct them according to the script and shot list we created during pre-production. Video shoots can be as short as a few hours or as long as a couple days. If your video is tied to a specific event happening at your company, we can adapt to your timeline as well. For motion design projects, the production phase is spent animating the assets created during the pre-production phase. This typically takes a few weeks, and we will show you a draft of the video to give you the opportunity to give feedback and request edits. Once either the video shoot or the animation phase are complete, it's time to move to post-production. During the editing phase, hours of uncut footage are transformed into the video you envisioned. First, the raw footage and audio must be processed, cleaned up, and synced for editing. If your video was shot interview style, one of our content strategists will use a transcript to align the editing with the storyline. Our video team will also add art cards, subtitles, and other motion graphics as desired to enhance the story of the video. No matter if your video is live action or animated, we will also use the post-production phase to add music or a professional voiceover if desired. We'll give you a list of options for songs and/or voice actors to select from. After we get your feedback and make revisions, it's time to export the video in the appropriate file sizes and types. We can also provide clips of the video for socials. With the video in your hands, you own it, and you are free to use it however you see fit.